Film.
This is beyond our galaxy.
Light this mother up!
Guten Tag, Filmfreundin. Now, most of the time on our show, we focus on lighting, camera gear, and other film stuff. But today, we want to take a moment to look at what sells your movie, the trailer, and specifically, how to use one-liners for impactful movie trailer moments. Now, we can't guarantee these will sell more tickets, but it's probably most likely not going to sell less tickets. It's it's a big world out there, and people need to find your movie. So one way to get some attention is a badass, memorable one-liner catchphrase. Something people will be out there talking at the water cooler the next day.
I'm tired of these snakes on this plane. What was that movie again?
I only watch cartoons.
Okay, so the first step when you're doing one-liners is always have your trusty muscle man on standby, like Bruce Willis or our friend Herculonius. Herculonius! He's still in the middle of a staring contest with his twin brother. Herculonius doesn't have a brother. No, that's fine. Yeah, he needed a day off. Anyway, we have someone even more badass. Nikki. Oh, this is Nikki. She's great. She's playing Empress Galanova in our new web series BTS. Has a space opera in it, so she's from outer space.
Greetings, Earthlings.
Stop it.
I'm just kidding.
So here's your line, okay? It's a one-liner.
You've gravely underestimated the space raiders.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so let's try just a little more pizzazz, maybe? You know?
You've gravely underestimated the space.
Okay, stop. Squint your eyes. Okay, ball up your hands like you're a little baby who wants a bottle, you know? But you're in outer space.
You've gravely underestimated the space raiders.
Okay. Now do the exact opposite of that.
You've gravely underestimated the space raiders.
That gave me goose pimples.
Wow. Now the only thing we're missing, I think, is an alien landscape. So what do you say we go down to Gandy Beach in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida, and try it out?
You've gravely underestimated the space raiders.
Oh yeah. So while we're out here, let's try a few more.
We fight or we face the void of space!
Release the interplanetary catapults!
Makes me want to watch a movie.
Jippy tie schnee, mother clucker.
It's kind of like Yippee-Ki-Yay, only better?
I won't unfriend you, I'll unfollow you.
He ain't heavy, he's my brother.
This may be gumbo, but that don't make you grandma, man.
Yeah, I think there's some good options, honestly. Okay, so now you've got some ear-catching one-liners, you've made your badass movie trailer, you've got the world's attention. So the next step is to simply collect those royalty checks.
We get paid?
You know what they say? Sometimes before you build Rome, you've got to build a teepee.
People don't say that.
People say that. Anyway, let us know what you think in the comments, share your favorite one-liners, and we'll see you next time. Happy shooting.
I'll accept your friend request once you learn what LMFAO means, bitch.
This may be gumbo, but that doesn't make you grandma. I'm not getting it, Emma. Sorry. Do the English accent so I can hear it again.
This may be gumbo.
This may be gumbo.